that frizz gets like unbearable. This hair looks extremely natural. Hey curl friends, and welcome back. Today we're coming to you guys with a review video. I am so excited to be back on here talking and just doing normal reviews. I haven't done a hair review or like cheap hair review in a very long time, so let's go ahead and just get straight into the review. Today we are reviewing really cheap crochet braiding hair from Freetress. This is in the style beach curl, 18 inches, and this hair was sent over from Freetress, so special thank you and shout out to Freetress for sending this over. They did sponsor a few videos, but y'all know I always want to come with my own little on my own time review to give you guys all of my entire experience, final thoughts, and everything about the hair. So like I said, this is the beach curl hair from Freetress. It is their braiding hair. It is latch hook crochet braiding hair. Latch hook to me, I mean, it doesn't really make a difference to me. It's just like normal braiding hair. It's on a thread tie type thing. It makes it kind of easier for you to like manipulate the hair and like pull it apart, but for the most part it's just some normal curly braiding hair. So they define this hair found on the website on Freetress is categorized as like a wavy curly texture, and I 100% agree with that. The hair does have like a super loose curl to it. It's very loose, and the ends are extremely loose as well. So it's not really, it's like a slight, an extremely loose wave, but not too loose to where it's like a wave. It's like curly, but just think like really loose curly hair. I actually haven't installed today. You guys have seen, I don't even know how many videos on it, but just two tutorials on it. I did two different hairstyles. I wanted to give myself the full experience with this hair from either side. I know a lot of you guys do like crochet braids. A lot of you guys just like quick little ponytail hairstyles or just quick on the go hairstyles. So I did a little bit of both. The first hairstyle I did was with you guys live, and it was the 2 feed-in braids with 2 curly ponytails. I actually feed-in braided the hair into my own natural hair and left the 2 ponytails loose. My second hairstyle is this one, and I guess I can go ahead and drop the rest of the specs, and then we can get into my final thoughts on it. This hair is really inexpensive. It's actually on Freetress right now for $5.95. If y'all have not checked out Freetress, y'all, and this is not because I'm a sponsor, I've been working with them for a very long time. I was tempted myself, y'all, to go ahead and make a purchase on Black Friday. They had a lot of wigs for 75% off. Clearance was 75% off, 50 or 75, don't quote, but it was very cheap. I found some $10 wigs, some $20 wigs. I was tempted to go get me some, but I need to get through all this hair I already have in here. Y'all, they have some amazing deals, but this hair is about $6 per pack on Freetress.com. I chose the color OT30, which is kind of like faded ombre, like dark roots at the top, and then a lot of the color is on the mids and ends. Beautiful blend. I think it looks really natural. Y'all can kind of see it here. It blends really well with natural hair that has not been colored. It makes a really nice and smooth transition. That way you're not just like popping random color on your hair, and you can kind of see that demarcation. It actually fades into the color. I love it, absolutely love it. But this hair is available in 11 different colors. You can get them in pretty much all the neutral colors, your blacks, your browns, reds, blondes, any of those normal type colors. There are no like crazy funky colors like blues and greens and random colors like that. It's just neutral colors, but it makes for a really great cheap pack of hair. So as far as maintenance goes, I did give you guys a maintenance and takedown video for the feed-in braids. I probably won't do it for this hairstyle, but as far as maintenance goes, I love mousse on this hair. This hair comes really nice and soft initially. As it ages, it gets really old, really like dryish, because it is synthetic hair, premium fiber synthetic hair. So you're gonna need some type of product, some type of mousse, like taming mousse, just to kind of tame down the frizzies. But beyond that, it doesn't really require much, but it does get frizzy really quick, which brings me into my pros and cons. My number one pro, this hair is really cheap and affordable. It's less than 10 bucks. You get a lot of hair in the pack, and as big as this hair swells, you don't need a whole bunch of hair. For both of my hairstyles that I did, braided and just like a quick hairstyle, I used no more than 2.5 packs for each style. Never had to use more than that. So you don't need a lot of packs of hair to get a install in really quickly. Very quick and affordable. The frizz is like a pro and a con in a sense. To me, the frizz is what makes it look the most natural. I feel like this hair looks extremely natural because it's just so like, the texture is just so not rough, but like it just looks so natural. It's so frizzy, so fluffy, just like natural curly hair. I feel like synthetic hair is always the best hair to get when you're trying to blend with your own natural hair. So it can be a pro, but on the con side, it gets really matted and tangled if you don't tame comb it every single day and try to like detangle it with some mousse, that frizz gets like unbearable and matted very, very quickly. So keep that in mind if you're trying to do any kind of hairstyle. It was very, very easy to install, which I really, really appreciated. The only problem that I had was more so trying to braid with the hair, the texture of it. Once you try to separate the hair or try to manipulate it too much, it starts getting really frizzy, really matted and tangled. So like I said, that frizz can be like a pro and a con depending on the hairstyle that you're going for or that you're trying to achieve with this hair. But beyond that, I love it. It's cheap. It's only $6. The color is really, really nice. Y'all know I love these like honey blondish kind of looks in general. I did have my hair this color a long time ago, maybe like 2, 3, 4 years ago, and I damaged my hair. So I love playing in like this cheap, throw a little $6 on some hair and I have blonde hair again, honey blonde hair. But beyond that, I love the hair. Now, as far as what style I prefer, I personally prefer, as much as I love the feed-in braids, they did last me a lot longer than I expected. I prefer this ponytail more than anything. And this is not really a protective style because you are putting tension on your hairline. I try to do these little middle parts and like swoop, along my hairline, that way I'm not pulling it backward. But in general, I love the fact that I can take this off every single night and preserve the ponytail. So I'll wear it throughout the day, take the ponytail off at night, go to sleep. I don't have to worry about like rubbing on the hair, tying it up. All I have to worry about is my own natural hair. As far as the other hairstyles, sleeping in this hair, it's not gonna last you long at all. So if you're trying to look for longevity, definitely want to try a ponytail. If you're just looking for something really, really quick, just to kind of get your hair done for an event or something, this would be great hair for that as well. But if you want it to last a long time, I highly suggest some type of hairstyle that you can take off at night, whether it's like a crochet wig or like this crochet ponytail that I achieved. Either one will be amazing for this hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't think of anything else to tell you guys about this hair. I actually loved it. It gave me such a big break. I've had this hair in my head for a total of like 3 weeks technically. I took a mini break for like 2 or 3 days. I washed my hair and left it in these little plaits for a little bit, and then y'all seen this hairstyle. So technically I've had this hair in rotation in my head for about 2 to 3 weeks, and it's been serving me very, very well. My hair is growing and flourishing underneath all of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this hair. Do you guys like crochet hair, or do you prefer weaves for things like ponytails or trying to extend your own natural hair length? If you have not already, go ahead and check out the 2 previous tutorials that I filmed my head using this hair. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'm loving your natural hair, girl. I'm loving your natural hair, girl. I'm loving your natural hair, girl.